Hey, if your Whirlpool fridge suddenly started making loud or unusual noises, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes and easy fixes you can try step by step in 2026. First, listen carefully. Is it buzzing, rattling, clicking, or grinding? Different sounds usually point to different parts inside the refrigerator. A fridge that isn't level can vibrate and create loud noises. Adjust the front leveling feet so the refrigerator stands stable and slightly tilted backward. Sometimes bottles or containers vibrate against each other. Rearrange items inside the fridge and freezer to eliminate contact noise. Pull the fridge slightly away from the wall and listen near the back. Dust or debris hitting the condenser fan can cause loud rattling sounds. Unplug the refrigerator and clean the condenser coils using a brush or vacuum. Dirt buildup makes the system work harder and louder. If the noise comes from inside the freezer, the evaporator fan may be hitting ice buildup or starting to fail. If your fridge has an ice maker, occasional clicking or knocking can happen during ice dumping cycles, and that sound's usually normal. A low humming sound is normal, but loud knocking or repeated clicking could indicate a compressor or start relay issue. If the noise becomes very loud, constant, or cooling performance drops, it's best to contact a technician for inspection. So yeah, check leveling, rearrange items, clean fans and coils, inspect freezer ice buildup, and listen for compressor sounds. And yeah, that's how you fix a Whirlpool fridge making loud noise in 2026. Try these quick checks first, and you may solve the issue without repairs.